Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Shade is nice, but it brings a problem along with it. This fence, painted white, develops a lot of, I don't know, moss, mold, lichen, some kind of green stuff on it. Every few years I gotta paint it, and this is the year. So I got to take the birdhouses off. None of them are being occupied right at the moment. Of course, these never will. But I wanted to do this before we had the springtime nest building, so I wasn't disrupting any animals. When I set this up, I made it so that the birdhouses were suspended from screws going to the back. That way I can just take the birdhouses off easily, and when it comes time to paint the fence, I just got to put some paint on it. Okay, birdhouses are removed. Time to mix up some bleach, wash down this fence. Okay, I mixed up about half a cup of bleach, about half a cup of soap, and 2 gallons of water in a 2-gallon bucket. Hopefully this will kill all the moss and things going on here.
Is it coming off?
Yeah.
I might have used a scrubby kind of thing before.
The scrubby kind of thing? What do you mean by that? Like an abrasive pad?
Yeah.
I think this will get rid of the moss and stuff. The bleach will kill it. Then I'm going to paint over it, so. I mean, I could go over it with an abrasive pad, but it's pretty rough stuff.
There's some on here too while you've got the bleach out. I'm sorry if you're recording, I interrupted.
That's okay.
On the thing while you got your bleach out.
Yeah, I've scrubbed all this. Oh, you mean that? There's a lot of work getting washed down, but once I did, I was able to put the paint on. Paint worked just great. I think the bleach helped give it a little bite into the paint that was on there. So it stuck well, covered good, got it done with one coat, which is great. Lydia redesigned how the birdhouses were and made them look a lot more balanced and even, so I'm very happy with the result. This has been about a 4-hour job in between. Had to wait for things to dry and things for, you know, the paint to set. But I got the birdhouses up, it's all done. Seems like a lot of work for a little white painted fence, but if you want to have something last, you got to put the time in it. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.